the rent prices are high, but the apartments don't, they not giving what the rent is, and it just don't make no sense. What's up, my babies, and I'm back with another video today. As you guys can tell by the title of this video below, this would be my apartment haul part 2. So if you guys did not watch the video, please go over and watch the video right now before you watch this one. If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button while you're here. And we just will jump straight into the video. So if you guys watched my previous video, my apartment haul part 1, I did tell you guys I would be coming back with a part 2, showing you the rest of the stuff that I got. The stuff that I got is all like kitchen stuff. It's just starter stuff, like everything for my kitchen. That's it. And yeah, so I'm just gonna be showing you guys all the things that I got. And let me tell y'all right now, it is very stressful trying to find somewhere to move to. It is very stressful to even get a tour of an apartment nowadays since COVID and everything. It's very stressful, but I'm not in a rush to move. I'm not in a rush, but you know, it is stressful, especially since they want to have a rent like $1,000 and $800 for a raggedy looking apartment that looked like it was built in the 1800s. I just don't know what to say about none of this stuff now, honestly. But yeah, I'm just gonna jump straight into the video. So everything I got actually came off Amazon, if you want to know where anything is from. And yeah, so the first thing I'm gonna start off with is these mixing bowl sets. I thought this was so pretty. It's like a set of pink bowls, and it's a lot of small ones inside of here. So it's like small one inside of the big one, and then the other one. It's 4 bowls in here, and then all 4 of them have tops. So I thought these were so cute, and especially I can store like leftovers in here, so that's a plus. Magnetic microwave top, so you know when you use a microwave, you don't gotta keep taking off your food, putting it back on there. You can just stick it to the top of the microwave, and then whenever you come back to the microwave, you just pull it down and then put it back up. So that's very convenient. I got this strainer. It's not like a typical strainer, you know, when you strain the noodles. You like actually open it up and you put it in the sink, and then you pour your stuff in here and then drain it like that. And I thought this was very convenient instead of using like a strainer bowl or something, because I don't know, I just feel like it'd be more convenient if it was already in the sink. You know, you have to pour it out if it's in a pot in the sink and then bring it back to the stove, drip water on the floor, you know, all that type of stuff. So I just thought this was very convenient, and I never seen nothing like this before. So next thing I got is some kitchen utensils, and they are gray because I did say I wanted everything in my kitchen to be gray. This is how it looks in the back. Thought these were so cute, and they're silicone, they're not stainless steel, you know, that scrape up your pans and stuff. I got this 2-piece set of marble cutting boards. I did not want 2 cutting boards. I did not want 2 cutting boards at all, but I could not find a marble cutting board by itself, so I just got 2 of them. I just found somebody to give the other cutting board to. No. The other thing I got is this sink caddy. Basically, it's a caddy for the sink. So you sit this on the sink, and you can sit like your dish detergent in there, your sponge for washing dishes, or your rag for washing dishes in there, stuff like that. And they have a little tray right here so you can drain the water out of it. So I thought this was really convenient as well, because you know the sink gets cluttered very fast. The other thing I got was these little silicone ice trays. It come with green, and then it come with blue, and I thought these were so cute also because you could push the ice up like this instead of having a typical ice tray, and you gotta be all breaking it trying to get the ice up out of there. So I got some sink strainers, gray sink strainers, you know, to catch the food for whenever you doing stuff in the kitchen and food might get in the sink. Instead of getting the typical wine glasses, like the tall wine glasses that you hold like that, like I said in my previous video, I did not get those, so I went ahead and got small wine glasses, and this is the company that it's by, off of Amazon, and this is just how they look. So I just rather get this one instead of getting the one with the long stem on it. And I don't know, I just thought these was cute, and I just was like. Other thing I got was a dustpan and broom set. So, and it is black. It's a black dustpan and a black broom, and it has like you can like attach it together like this so that your broom and dustpan will be in 2 different areas or whatever, and then like when you try to put it up in the closet or something, you won't have to be putting them in 2 separate spots. So they do clamp together so that they can sit together when they're put in storage. Oh my gosh, y'all, this is my utensil holder that I just thought was so cute, and it is marble, so it goes perfect with the cutting board. But this is the company that is by from Amazon. Thank God that this one did not come cracked, because I ordered it the first time and it came cracked, but then I reordered it and it wasn't cracked this time. Thank God. But yeah, this is how it looks, and it's not like hard rock. I seen one of those like that at HomeGoods and I didn't like it. It was like too heavy. This is really like plastic, but it's marble. It's like hard plastic though. It's not like a cheap plastic. But I'm just glad it's not the heavy kind, because the heavy one is like really big. It feel like you're picking up a rock or a brick. But yeah, this is my utensil holder, and it's so cute with my gray utensils in here, and it's just, the aesthetics is just gonna be so cute. The next thing I got is this knife set. Where the knives sit at is clear, and then the knives are like stainless steel gray. So I'm gonna take it out for you guys to see, for me to see as well, to make sure it's not cracked or messed up anything. Okay, so you guys, this is how it looks. Like, it looks acrylic, it's clear, and this is where the knives go. And I thought this was so cute because I just couldn't decide what color to get. And if I change up like my kitchen aesthetics, I don't want stuff to not match. So since this is clear, it has no choice but to match because it's clear. But yes, this is the knife holder. I'm not even going to go through all of that to take the knives out because they're packed up in a box. But the knives are stainless steel. Like this. And I got this off Amazon as well. Okay, so the last final thing that I bought was this gray stainless steel dish rack. And when I seen this dish rack, I was so in love because of the fact that it has like a drain. It has like a drain on it, so like, you know, like when you wash dishes and then all the water from the dishes get in the dish rack, and the water just be sitting there and you gotta wash the dish rack out. This one actually has a drain on it, so every time the water gets inside the dish rack, the drain drains it back out into the sink. So I just thought that was very convenient. Also, you can pull out this mat thing here, and you can put like, have extra space on the side of the dish rack. Like if you have extra dishes to put down, like you can put a mat out and put like cups or something, bowls on it or something like that if you don't have enough room in the dish rack. So I thought this was very convenient. It's not a typical dish rack because of the simple fact it has the drain. If it didn't have the drain, I would have just bought a regular old dish rack for like $10. But this have the drain on it, and it says that it's rust resistant. And some dish racks do get rusty after a while, and I hate that. But they claim that this is rust resistant, so we gonna see. But yes, this is the last and final thing I have for this haul. I will not be buying anything else for my home until I actually get there. I have been looking. Can't really find nothing that I actually want, and then I can't find nothing with affordable rent that looks decent to live in, because like I said, everything is just like, the rent prices are high, but the apartments they're not giving what the rent is, and it just don't make no sense. And they also not answering the phone for people to do tours, and then some people are doing tours but only like virtually. I'd rather see it in the flesh, you know. But like I said before, I'm not in a rush to move. It's just me. I don't have no kids, no boyfriend, no husband, no anything. So it's just me. I'm gonna be living by myself anyways. There's no rush to really do anything. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you guys. Also, let me know down below in the comment section if you like the things that I got. And let me know if you guys like the aesthetics that I'm going for with gray in my kitchen. I just feel like it's just gonna be so cute, the aesthetics. I feel like gray will match anything, so. But thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next video.
No surprise. Every other night another movie getting made.